Good morning, and welcome back to English with Adi. Today, we are going to do something really special. We are going to learn how to talk about your morning in simple, clear English. Every single sentence you will hear today is used in real life every single day in the United States and the United Kingdom. So, get comfortable and let us start your day in English. The first thing we do every morning is wake up. In English, we say, I just woke up. Say it slowly with me. I just woke up. Or we can say, good morning. It is time to get up. Let us say that together. Good morning. It is time to get up. Say these phrases every single morning. The alarm is ringing. In English, we say, my alarm is going off. Say it with me. My alarm is going off. Now we turn it off. We say, let me turn off my alarm. Slowly. Let me turn off my alarm. Or sometimes we say, just 5 more minutes. Say it. Just 5 more minutes. Now it is time to go to the bathroom. In English, we say, I need to use the bathroom. Say it slowly. I need to use the bathroom. In the UK, people often say, I need to use the toilet. Both are perfectly correct. Now we wash our face. We say, I am going to wash my face. Slowly, I am going to wash my face. Fresh and clean, ready for the day. Now, let us brush our teeth. In English, we say, I am brushing my teeth. Say it with me. I am brushing my teeth. We can also say, I need to brush my teeth. Slowly. I need to brush my teeth. In the USA and UK, people also say, let me freshen up. This means getting clean and ready. Let me freshen up. Beautiful phrase. Use it every day. Time for a shower. In English, we say, I am going to take a shower. Say it slowly. I am going to take a shower. In the UK, people often say, I am going to have a shower. Both mean the same thing. After the shower, we feel fresh. We say, I feel so fresh and clean. Slowly. I feel so fresh and clean. Start every morning with this beautiful feeling. Now, it is time to get dressed. In English, we say, I need to get dressed. Say it with me. I need to get dressed. When we choose our clothes, we say, what should I wear today? Slowly, what should I wear today? After we are dressed, we say, I am ready to go. Say it. I am ready to go. Simple, natural, real English phrases. Good morning. Time for breakfast. In English, we say, I am making breakfast. Say it slowly. I am making breakfast. We can also say, what would you like for breakfast? Slowly. What would you like for breakfast? Common breakfast items in the USA and UK: toast, eggs, cereal, orange juice, and coffee. We say, I will have toast and coffee this morning. Say it. I will have toast and coffee this morning. Now we sit down to eat. In English, we say, let us sit down for breakfast. Slowly. Let us sit down for breakfast. While eating, we might say, this tastes really good. Say it with me. This tastes really good. Or we say, I am so hungry this morning. Slowly. I am so hungry this morning. Take your time. Enjoy your breakfast and speak English while you eat. Oh, look at the time. In English, we say, what time is it? Say it. What time is it? Or we say, I am running late. Slowly. I am running late. This means you do not have much time. People in the USA and UK say this every morning. We also say, I need to hurry up. Say it with me. I need to hurry up. Okay, let us go. It is time to leave the house. In English, we say, I am heading out now. Say it slowly. I am heading out now. In the UK, people say, I am off now. Short and simple. I am off now. When saying goodbye to your family, we say, have a great day, everyone. Slowly. Have a great day, everyone. And they reply, you too, take care. You too, take care. Beautiful, natural English. Wonderful work today. Let us quickly review all our morning phrases. 1. I just woke up. 2. My alarm is going off. 3. I need to use the bathroom. 4. I am brushing my teeth. 5. Let me freshen up. 6. I am going to take a shower. 7. I need to get dressed. 8. I am making breakfast. 9. I am running late. 10. I am heading out now. Practice these phrases every single morning. Say them out loud while you do them, and your English will improve every day. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope these morning phrases helped you. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, try to use at least one of these phrases. Even just one is a great start. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to Slow English with Audie for a new simple English video every single day. I will see you in the next video. Take care, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye for now.